Hello, everyone. This soup showcased crab, pork, and all the fixing in a dumpling style creation. The dumplings are swimming in a steaming hot, spicy broth, garnished with chives and thin strip of ginger. This soup takes little time to make compared to the traditional Vietnamese noodle soup, such as pho, but it gives you the same memorable and delicious experience. So let's get started by making the broth. I would normally use chicken stock or pork stock for this soup. However, I came up with a way to make the broth without the hassle of blanching the bones, skimming off the fat, the impurities from making a bone broth, and without compromising the flavor. Plus, this stock is so quick and easy to make. I'm going to start off with using root vegetables. Clean, peel all the vegetables and cut it into large pieces and set that aside. For the ginger, I am using one large root. Peel and clean, then cut into 3 pieces. Pound each piece lightly. The ginger will add this lovely aroma and peppery flavor to the broth. To assemble the dumplings, I am using a store-bought dumpling wrapper. This is my favorite part, is to assemble the dumplings. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the middle of the wrapper. Lightly moist the outer edges of the dumpling wrapper with your wet finger. Fold the wrapper in half and make sure all the edges are sealed. Take one end of the wrapper and pinch it together until it meets the other end. Use the palm of your hand to flatten the bottom of the dumpling so it sits upright. Freeze the dumplings immediately if you are not planning to use them right away. There are several ways to cook the dumplings. You can steam them for 10 minutes and they will be ready to go. I prefer to boil them. Make sure that the water is boiling hot before adding the dumplings into the pot. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are floating to the top. For the frozen dumpling, make sure that you let them sit in room temperature for 15 minutes before boiling them. Remove the dumplings from the water and set that aside. Disregard the dumpling water. Add the seasoned broth that we cooked earlier into the pot. Add strip of ginger to the broth and bring it to a boil. And add your choice of chili paste. You can use any chili paste that you would like. Transfer the dumpling from the bowl into the broth. If you have a homemade chili paste, that would be wonderful. I am using this brand of chili paste. I find that cooking the dumpling this method will allow for the filling to be completely cooked while not overcooking the wrapper and make them too mushy. Transfer the dumpling into a bowl. Garnish it with Chinese chives or cilantro. Add additional ginger strip into the bowl. Well, there is nothing left to do but eat and slurp. This soup is so comforting and addictive and is the perfect meal for the cold weather. If you like this video, please share with friends and family members that may benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here again soon.